Hello, fellow learners. Today we're going to be solving simple two-step simple equations. So the equation that we're going to be doing today is question 18, in fact, in our math book or in our math assignment. But don't worry, it's further defined within the Google document. Anyways, without further ado, let's get started. Is you write down the equation as shown here. 8 equals 8v minus 4, negative 4, if you will, times v plus 8. Now, our first step towards solving this simple equation is we're going to be getting rid of the brackets. In other words, we know that brackets are pretty much the coefficient, which in this case is the 4, multiplied by the ones inside the brackets. In other words, 8 equals 8v minus 4 times v plus 8. In better words, negative 4 times 8 yields us negative 32, all right? And negative 4 times v, or in this case 1v if you will, yields us negative 4v. In other words, 8 equals 8v minus 4 in brackets v plus 8 in fact equalizes to 8 equals 8v minus 4v minus 32. Because remember, we're multiplying negative 4 by the variables or the numbers within it. So negative 4 times v yields us negative 4v, negative 4 times 8 yields us negative 32, and you don't include the negative 4 since you're multiplying it. It pretty much magically disappears after helping it or multiplying it. Anyways, now we have the equation 8 equals 8v minus 4v minus 32. All right. Now what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to be combining like-minded terms. In other words, we're going to be trying to see which terms go together on either side of the equation. So to better explain this, let's look on this side of the equation with the v's and the other variable. So we have 8v minus 4v minus 32. Well, how do we simplify this? Very simple. We have 8v minus 4v. So pretty much they're actually, in fact, since v is the same number, there's nothing wrong with subtracting the coefficients. So 8 minus 4 yields us, well, obviously 4. Thus, 8, in fact, equals 4v minus 32. And now all we have to do is go through the simple steps of simple equations, in which we will normally just put a line through this. But since I'm on a doc, I don't know quite the means to do so, so we're just going to be simplifying as we go along. Anyways, just pretend that there's a line going across, separating the equation bar. Now, so we're going to be focusing on, of course, the v side, or the one with the variable, or the unknown variable on it. So what's affecting the whole side? Negative 32. So what's the opposite of negative 32 or minus 32? That'll be, in fact, plus 32. My bad, whoops. Plus 32 is the opposite. Thus, 8 now equals, so 8 plus 32 equals 40. Thus, 40, in fact, equals minus 4b, because negative 32 plus 32 cancels each other out, so we're left with this. So 40 equals negative 4v. Alright, pretty cool. Now what we're going to have to do is we divide the variable by its coefficient. In other words, negative 4v divided by which then equals 40 divided by negative 4 equals 4v divided by negative 4. Oh, did I say 4v? Whoops. Negative 4. We always have to remember that. Anyways, so 40 divided by negative, which then pretty much yields us 40 divided by negative 4 yields us negative 10, because a positive divided by a negative yields you a negative no matter what. Then that equals negative 4v divided by negative 4. That cancels each other out, and that leaves us with v. Thus, v equals 10, and that is the answer to our simple equation. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe. Greatly appreciate it. Well, that's it for now. Peace out.